my gosh. Such an average emo day around the house. The master's got his camera in my face, trying to get me to do some blank expression. I'll show him a blank expression. Hope he knows that I'm licking this cord right after I lick my butt. Stupid Mexican friend came over and now he decided to make a video, and I guess it's featuring me, and yeah, that's my tongue on the hardware, just to let you know. Quit moving me around. I'm not to be a pedestal. Gosh. That tastes funny. Mexican guy looks funny. Bella, you are funny. Get your filthy tortilla smelling hands off me. That's what you were saying, right? Hello. Bella.